What's this guy?
A bulldozer.
A bulldozer. Is he loud?
Yeah.
What's he say?
I'll put the rocks.
He picks up the rocks. Does he say roar?
Roar.
Oh, what's he doing over here?
A dump truck.
Is he going puff, puff?
Puff, puff.
Puff, puff, puff. What's he doing right here?
Bulldozer.
Is he sleeping?
Yeah.
Can you say good night?
Good night. Good night.
Who's this guy?
Excavator.
An excavator? What's he doing?
A duck.
He's getting dirt. Is he digging?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, he's tired. He's sleepy.
He's a sleepy excavator.
He is a sleepy excavator.
Someone.
Someone, can you tell Mr. Excavator good night?
Good night, excavator.
Oh, those are all our guys. Are they awake or are they asleep?
Good
Can you say good night to the construction site?
night, inside.
Oh, night, night.
Good night.